How to delete Incognito browser history on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down and you will see the Apps option. Tap on that and scroll down again and navigate to Safari and tap on it. Now, in this particular interface, scroll down to the bottom again and you will see the Advanced option. Tap on that and then tap on the Website Data option you see there. Now, wait for the website data page to load, and once done, tap on the Remove All Website Data option you see there, and when prompted, tap on Remove Now for confirmation. This will clear data that could be used for tracking but is also used by websites to preserve login information and to speed up browsing. So, this is how you can delete incognito browser history on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.